Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of PKM Weekly. So end of the month of February already. So let's see what's been happening. Capacities, they've recently posted a What's Next article. So let's just check that out. Basically it includes Calendar 2.0. So calendar integration is in the, or will soon enter the beta phase. So for all Capacities believers and then for pro users as well, shortly thereafter. So that's something to look forward to. Media types 2.0, so overall overhaul of all media types. Media, search, AI, video type, email type, etc., etc. Deeper AI integration, reader integration and annotations, importing, and simple tasks. So if you want to get the more detailed list, you can find it here on the Capacities website with the Calendar 2.0, so basically kind of explains how they envisage it, but it's going to be Google and Outlook, and after that they're going to try and do Apple Calendar and CalDAV protocol. So it's going to be in the works. Media types, so views changing, different types of searches that you can bring in, different types of video type and email, even more deeper AI integration, and then some long-term plans are annotation systems. So basically just have a sort of annotation for PDFs, notes, and media content. Reader integrations, so for those that are waiting for Readwise integration or Readwise reader integration, this is on the long-term plan, so I don't really know what that means, but it's likely not in the first half of the year, would be my guess. Import, which is a bit of a strange one, because importing, if someone wants to use Capacities, is usually the first thing that they ask, how do I import my notes? So bulk import is still there, but they're going to focus on other features first, which is their own prerogative and good on them for choosing to do that. And then other views, simple task management, and other things. So you can check it out here for the full detail. On that side, there was a few comments on Reddit about performance issues. So first of all, yeah, Capacities fit how the brain works, but after using for a bit, getting a bit frustrated. File has at least 5k words or 20,000 words. The larger the file, the more frustrating editing gets, because basically it kind of slows down and you have a little bit of a lag. And they do go on to say that editing the same file is easily handled by Notion, which is a surprise, and Obsidian, as you would expect, given that it's local. So something there that needs to be done with Capacities. Logseq, I had a little bit of a play around with the database version just today, and I've posted a quick 20-minute video or so here, basically just looking at how it's improved since the last time I played around with it, and there have been an awful lot of additions and new features and great things that have been implemented. Some of the shortcomings still with it, and some things that are still needed to be done. So do check that out, please. It would be much appreciated. And on the DB version, Danzu, they kindly posted an update with various different things that have been happening with the DB version. So weighted sort in the marketplace for plugins, persistent shortcuts, and various different other enhancements that have been implemented behind the scenes just to make the experience smoother. So a few things going on with the DB version. Tana, they set up they did a video on how to get set up. So basically like a beginner's guide from start to finish, if you will. So just looking at some of the basics, daily note taking, habit tracking, and workflows and tasks. I thought it was a great video by Brage and the team. So do check that out if you are in doubt of what Tana can do for you and how it works, because this is a great platform to get started. Looks at the basics and then you can build up from there. I did a specific section for Andrew because he's done quite a few updates. So first up, he had a Tana cast with a couple of the guys, Fis and Aaron. So they looked at agents, voice automation, and AI-powered daily nodes. So if you're interested, do definitely check this video out because it looks up how you can do multiple agents, AI-powered daily notes, and AI agents to turn your memos into insights. Great video by the three of them, so looking forward to more of them as they go along. And then Andrew also did a Tana Jam with with the team. So basically just an introduction to AI agents, what they are, an intro and an overview, the key benefits of them, components, how you invoke them, the app mention feature, and within the video they look at 3 specific demos of claim framework, voice note analysis, and educational content. So again, thanks Andrew for doing that, and very useful in terms of getting up to speed with AI agents within Tana. And if you want to see more of Andrew's stuff, do check it out here because he's got a lot going on with Tana, so definitely worthwhile keeping a tab on him with what he's up to. And staying with agents, you've also got this video from Ev where she looked at AI agents, so how to set them up, and it is a lot easier than you think. I definitely agree, Ev. So I was also a bit, let's say, worried of, oh my god, what am I getting myself into? But it's actually a lot more simpler than it sounds. Building a clean AI system, and 3 game-changing ways that you can use AI agents daily. So do check that out from Ev if you're interested in AI agents. Obsidian, they came out with a little bit of a curveball, and that now Obsidian is free for work. And basically, you don't need a commercial license anymore if you want to use it. And interestingly enough, I mean, gives a bit of reasoning, but the key is its simplicity. It wasn't adding much to the commercial license. It was confusing. Do I need one? Do I not need one? Do I need to go to my manager, my business partner, whatever it might be, to buy one, etc. And they just believe that it's a lot easier just scrapping it and going with a manifesto, that everyone should have the tools to think clearly and organize ideas effectively. And that's why they made Obsidian free for work. And interestingly, I can't remember if it was here or in one of the tweets from Capano, they thought, or there was a conception that as you're making it free, the commercial income will reduce. But in fact, what they found was it was a bit the opposite, in that more organization now want to be part of the showcase and are actually donating, if you will, more money. So well done to Obsidian for that, for making it free when the trend seems to be, let's charge for absolutely everything. Another one, a trick, so just basically going through how you can retrieve information from your Obsidian database by using a little bit of a system here that OP has shared with us. So that was it from Obsidian. AFFiNE, they're doing mobile app take 2, and I'm sure I posted something about the mobile app coming soon in the past. And in fact, they do mention it. We've mentioned it before, but this time we're really ready to go. The last time I mentioned it, I think, was Q3, Q4 2024, so a good 6 months or so ago. So hopefully this time it's going to come about, and the iOS app will be first, of course, and then the Android app will follow shortly thereafter. So if you are interested, fill in this form and they'll send you a link that you can download, or that you can be up to speed when the iOS app is ready, so that you can download it, I'm guessing, through test flight. AnyType, there was a bit of a video of how to use AnyType. So basically just guide you through the basics, how you can set it up, how you can use it, how it works, so, and what's unique about it in comparison to other note-taking apps. So if you're interested or don't know about AnyType, please do check this video out. Appflowy, they did version 0.8.4, which basically includes Switch AI mode on mobile, locking page, uploading SVG files as icons, and support the /, @ and + menu on mobile, so a lot of mobile updates, as well as a lot of bug fixes, just to get it more streamlined, and quality of life improvements. So if you haven't already, do definitely check out Appflowy if you're looking for a Notion alternative. Lots of database functionality, mobile functionality, an all-round great app. And Orca Note, they released version 30.1, bug fixes, English help, and macOS version is now signed, so you don't have to run extra commands. So that's coming along nicely. So Sethia, I'm just working on it. I'm just trying to improve it with each passing day. So that was it, short and sweet this week. So thank you very much for being here, and I shall see you next week. Thanks, bye.